Let's make double chocolate muffins. Yum. Okay, in with the dry to start with, all into a bowl. Then you'll see the ingredients. I'm going to pop them on the screen there for you because I can't talk fast enough to keep up with myself. Now, in with the chocolate too. I'm using Callebaut. Can't recommend it anymore. It's got a beautiful flavour. It's proper chocolate. And also, it's extremely sustainable, so guilt-free. Right, in with the butter as well. And then we're going to pop the cocoa powder in and mix all of those together. Now, the reason there that I have put in the chocolate chips as well is because they're going to get coated as well as the flour in that butter. And this is going to really stop them sinking when we put the batter in the oven, which is great. Right, you can see there that at the start it was very low. And then I did that so I didn't get covered in flour because it'll whoosh out, and then went a little bit higher. Once it started to look a little bit like breadcrumbs, I went in with the wet mix, and you can see I put all of it in there. Yes, literally all of it. No waste here. In with the egg as well. Now, I haven't sped this up. This is real time. Muffins do not like being played with. So you don't want to over mix them because it'll stop that dome and they won't be as nice inside. So a little bit to start with, just to get that egg broken up, and then about 20 or 30 seconds at the most, give them a mix. Do the rest by hand. So using your spatula there, around the sides, all around the bottom, give it a good scrape up. When you're happy it is completely combined, again, don't over mix. We're going to put them into our baking tin. And now I'm using a silicone muffin tin here, which is available on our Amazon storefront. That's in the comment section thingy underneath. You can go into that and get that. Also, I'm using tulip cases. Massively recommend them for muffins because they support the muffin on its way up to creating that dome, and it looks so much nicer, and you can also get a bit more mix in, and who doesn't like a bigger muffin? Lovely. Now divide this mix out between all 6. Use your spatula just to keep pulling the sides down to make sure that you get all of that batter out. And by eye, just looking over the top, you can see if they're all around about the same size, and that's what you want. If you don't get them near enough around about the same size, you're going to end up with a really uneven bake. Some will be cooked more than others, and that's just not nice. Okay, we're going to bake them. Now, my oven is set at 220 regular or 200 on fan. Now, I did that for 6 minutes, and then we turned it down and we put it in for 12 minutes on 190. And this is how they looked. This is absolutely lovely. Look at those. They're holding form so well. They are so lovely and gooey on the inside. And every time I make these just disappear so quickly. Really should try them. Absolutely gorgeous. Freeze lovely as well. If you've enjoyed this recipe, there are plenty more in our new book, as you saw featured earlier in the link below.